phone, AJ. On the website of B-Flux, I'm mixing of MMA. I seen the little showing me some clips. Spin out import auto pros. You like to build Hondas? Motherfuckers talking about shit, that shit like 10 times. You know? Like the fight. You like, but I want to give a shout to all the Honda people out there. Like, hey,
Honda gang.
I was like, oh wow, that import life. Well, there's another guy they say, I think it's from the Philadelphia Eagles. He's into drag racing too, and
Really?
yeah. Can't think of his name. There's another guy.
Yeah, but that guy fucking was fat.
The black guy, right?
Really?
The black guy.
What's he drive?
Robot or Pro or something.
Yeah, he's a
Sick ass. He's got money.
yeah, he's from the Philadelphia Eagles. He's another guy that's like NFL money. Yeah, fuck, bro, he goes fast. Seriously, he's like he has a, I don't think it's a Honda. He has a, like you said, a Pro Mod car.
It's a full drag car.
It's a drag car.
Yeah, it's like a Pro Mod, like a $3 kind of car.
Yep. Stop.
I just like when you stay up.
Don't drop shit down.
Why not down? The ladies like it when
You
you
gotta
go
move it to see. Oh shit. You know it'll make it easier if you took the manifold off.
No, the oil line's connected to the.
Oh, drip drop. Push it forward.
Stop.
Go over that way. Oh, there.
It's cool.
Coolness dripping.
Yeah.
Take the turbo off. Take everything off. Just lean it this way.
You're gonna do, but they're trying to see the fucking
It needs to be tilted more like this.
You gotta take this out. Yeah, we're gonna do this. You gonna hit it? Yeah.
Keep going.
It's tight. Okay, keep going? Yep. Alright, use 4 more. That's good. We might need your help over here.